When I was a furniture painter and did faux finishing, one of the important steps to take was to use a barrier coat. And what a barrier coat would do is put down a light coat of a protective finish that would protect the color underneath from letting the next color that you add soak into it, so that when you sanded back, you would see layers of color instead of one color that was a mix of all the stuff that you put on there. So this is a barrier coat that I'm putting on this painting. This is a painting for an exhibit that I hope will be accepted into the Terra Rosa Gallery for the next show, which is called Wait 5 Minutes, and it has to do with the weather in Oklahoma, which I'm very excited about hopefully participating in. So stay tuned to see how this painting comes.